My buddy Joel wanted a 6-inch meatball, so I got him that. I added a couple extra things in it though. It's got extra black olives. It's got jalapeno peppers. What else we got here? Lettuce. We got mustard, honey mustard. He did get provolone though. He really wanted provolone. So we're gonna go try and prank him and see if he eats it.
Hell yeah! Ready to see some stomach churning.
Wait, they're on me.
Are you guys watching Telemundo together?
Yes. If you want one. Yeah, granola bars are really good too. There's like what, oats and dark chocolate? That's
Oiga, ¿quién te iba a ofrecerles una amistad? Muy bonita. Muchísimas gracias por acompañarnos el día. Muy bien, hasta luego. Amigos, vamos a un breve mensaje y volvemos con nuestro siguiente caso aquí en la Corte del Pueblo. No se nos vaya, tenemos todavía la información al día.
La señora Campos, conmovida por los consejos del juez Manuel Franco, organizó una fundación barrial para ayudar a las familias más
What's on there? What's on there?
Jalapenos, tomatoes, cucumbers.
en la Corte del Pueblo.
That's disgusting. We need to return this sandwich.
Oh, that's gross, man. Why would they do
The
that?
sandwich.
That's fucking nasty.
Yeah, I asked for the 10% discount. The CCRI.
Seriously, they put shit in your
There was
sandwich?
no discount. And there was a discount like 2 months ago.
Provolone.
Is there even meatballs in there?
That's a good question. I see some. Okay.
Where is the meatball, bro?
It's like right there. Ew, what's that?
Well, we
Looks
get.
like a dissected pig. That's gross.
I guess. My bad, man. I guess I shouldn't have been asking.
Oh my god!
Yeah, and I think when I asked to speak to the manager about the 10% discount, I probably pissed her off. In hindsight.
You gonna eat it?
Yeah, that's pretty good.
It looks pretty good.
As long as they have meatballs in it, it's a meatball stuff, right?
Yeah.
May as well, man. You're probably hungry, right?
Probably right.
Yeah, I'm not really hungry.
Big bite.
When they ordered the sandwich.
He wanted a spoon.
Yeah, that could have made her mad. The fact that we
But the girl.
I ate one of
Oh, so gross. Alright, thank you for watching the first prank video. If you liked it, hit like down there. If you have any suggestions, comment or message me. And also hit the subscribe button down there. I'll have more pranks to come, just anything you guys want. So, thanks for watching.
Oh, Doyle rules!